A decision desk is a team of experts that one or many U.S. news organizations assemble to analyze incoming data about election results and project winners on election day. Decision desks use exit polling data as well as officially reported results as they come in to project and then call the winners of elections on election night. Exit polling data was gathered by Voter News Service, which existed from 1990 to 2003 and which was disbanded due to disastrous mistakes in the 2000 presidential election and in the 2002 elections. Afterward, they formed the National Election Pool, which produced skewed results in the 2004 U.S. presidential election and in the 2016 presidential elections. Megyn Kelly was made famous when she walked backstage to Fox News' decision desk team during the broadcast of the 2012 U.S. presidential election results when Karl Rove contradicted the team's prediction that Obama would win. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.